If you see Vanguard Error Van57 while playing Valorant, don't worry. This error usually happens because Riot Vanguard, Valorant's anti-cheat system, is not running properly or conflicts with other software. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. A full reboot often resolves Vanguard service issues and clears temporary conflicts. Next, run Valorant as administrator. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator to ensure proper permissions for Vanguard. Now, repair Vanguard. Go to C-Tite Program Files Riot Vanguard and run vanguard.exe. Repair. This fixes corrupted files. After that, disable conflicting software. Close apps like third-party antiviruses, VPNs, or other game overlays that may interfere with Vanguard. Also, check Windows services. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msec and make sure VGC, Vanguard service, is running. If it stopped, start it and set it to automatic. Finally, reinstall Vanguard and Valorant. If the error persists, uninstall both, restart your PC, and reinstall Valorant from the official site. In most cases, repairing or reinstalling Vanguard and running Valorant as administrator fixes Van57 quickly.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.